How to enter promo code in PrizePicks. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to enter your promo code in PrizePicks. So as you can see that I am the official article page in the PrizePicks, and it says that when you sign up for PrizePicks you will be asked to share your email address as well as any referral code you have been given access to. When you use the referral code, the corresponding promotion will be automatically be applied, and if you don't have referral code you can click the checkbox marked don't have one, and this will automatically grant you the best promotion available at that time. So in order to get your promo code or enter a promo code, you need to click on sign up. So when you sign up in your PrizePicks account, there you will be asked to enter your email address, and then you have to mention a referral code. As you can see that the PrizePicks has already put on a referral code for me right here, but if I had a friend who has given me access to a promo code of his account, so I can go ahead and enter the promo code right here. And once you add the promo code, just simply click on continue and start creating your account. And if you don't have one, just click on this checkbox and just start with the further process. So this is basically how you will be able to put your promo code in PrizePicks. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.